Well, I'm back. Took a little break. I was pretty sick, so I didn't even work on my project either. Um, I didn't trade much. I kind of missed most of this big pump here because I wasn't feeling good and I was sleeping a lot. But you can see right here, we have a classic hidden bullish divergence that formed here. So, you can run that there. We have a we have it on the histogram and the MACD lines. So here's your histogram. And here's your MACD lines for people that don't know. But this is a bullish hidden classic divergence. So anyways, large engulfing candle right here. We'll stick an arrow under that. So we have that. And then we have this, the the line crossing up like this, which is really good. And that's our hidden bullish divergence. Classic hidden. Sorry, I'm tired. First day of feeling good. Got some things done today. I'm looking at charts. I made a little trade, and um, I'm gonna open this up here. Now, right there, I had a trade I put in while I was sleeping. So there's a 7.5x ETH long, and so I did two of them. So 81 US and then 155 US, and now I'm waiting. Um, for another move here because it's getting played out. There's a bit of resistance here, but I do think it's going to push right up and bounce off this trend line. It did. It almost hit the 1.272, and likely it's going to keep going. So um, I'll just wait for any little pullback or something, and then I'll jump in. I'll see what's happening. And also, when you look on lower time frames, you see it might have a bit of a retrace here. So let's move these up a bit more. On the 12-hour, it's still pointing right up. 6 hour, we have an engulfing here. We still have an hour and 45 minutes for that to close. So I think if we close this engulfing and the MACD and we had a hidden bearish divergence, then I would look at shorting it a bit. But I'm just waiting right now. And on the 4 hour, you can see it's really creeping over with that, but we don't have an engulfing here. So like anything could happen. And I think what might happen is they'll pump it up, come off of this and then down a little bit. And then we'll go more towards 30K soon. So like I showed some people a while ago and I was telling them the bear market's over because it is. Now, on the 2 week time frame, you can see our bullish divergence, and there's our large engulfing on the 2 week, and then it went sideways, it's coming up. So I have to rechart that so I can show you where it's going to go, but it's upwards towards 50K anyways. So um, I mean, we could, let's see here. What were we going on? Probably these. See, now here's a better picture of everything. We'll just take these away. Yeah. Let's take a look at some of this and let's chart that out right now. Just to get a better look at the higher time frames. So I'm going to go back and see if I can actually find that chart on my other screen so I can show you. Because it was up towards 50K. And you got to have patience with this shit. You can't just like copy this. Okay. 1 second. Okay, so let's go like this. And we're going to go. Okay, so you can see we have a decent long coming here on the 2 week, which is nice. So you have your engulfing here, and we're still moving up here. I hate how they don't have the time frame on here for larger time frames, but so pretty well. It's gonna so go like this, like up here, and then down a bit, and then up. So that's pretty much what's gonna happen. Long term takes time. You got to have patience. Trust the fibs. When you see stuff like this, everything's pointing. It's pretty much like it's high probability. It's not totally guaranteed, but it's high probability, so your risk is low. Do a low leverage, trade smart, and learn things properly. And please stop following influencers. Those guys, those influencers, they make tons of money off your trades, off you watching their videos. It's ridiculous. They're all scammers. Every one of them. BitBoy, Carl the Moon, all those guys. They're all a bunch of, like, they're all scammers. That's how they've made their money. And they just suck people in, pump and dump. They don't care about the people that follow them. They just want their money. I do have a Bybit link, but I don't really give a shit about that sort of stuff. I don't want anyone's money. I'll make my own. But what I do want to do is help people learn to trade properly so they don't lose money. All these other guys that other people follow, these scammers, they don't give a shit. They're not going to teach you how to trade. Those guys don't even know how to trade properly. They rely on like 10 other people to make their money to scam people because they don't know how to see what the market's doing. So stay away from those guys. And what I'll do today is I'll try to organize a few videos for some stuff and go over some trading lessons maybe. And I'll give out some material, which I have in my Discord group. And it's really good to start for bullish. You got hidden divergences, classic, bullish, bearish. I'll teach people how to use the Fibonacci retracement tool, which is a big help. And then with the MA7 and EMA 200, with those, that's all you need. And you can trade like a pro. There's no guessing, just patience, back testing, learning, and that's just the start of it. That's just the first stage. I won't show anyone anything else till after, but I just want to help people trade properly, make money. Don't get scammed. I hate scammers. So that's it for this one. I'm gonna also have an update on something else I'm working on here, but I'm not gonna put that on here yet. And so I'll probably make a video today on some stuff. And if I get to a trade, then I definitely will. See you in the next one.